Welcome to DIY Daze. This week we'll be making Halloween finger puppets. The materials you'll need are felt scraps, glue, needle and thread, scissors, marker, and googly eyes. To measure the size, make sure it's approximately 2 fingers or more. Now I'm going to use the one I just cut out to make the other one. Now that they're all cut out, I'm going to start on sewing. If you don't know how to sew, you can always use glue. Now that I have them all sewed in, I'm going to start with black and make a mummy. I'm going to get the white felt and cut it in long stripes and cut it in half. And now I'm going to attach this with glue. Now that I have the white felt all glued in, I'm going to start gluing on the googly eyes. Now onto the green one. I'm going to be using black and red felt to make the hat. I'm going to start by drawing a big triangle, and then next drawing a small triangle right at the side of the tip. Now I'm going to be cutting a red line out of the red felt and attach it to the hat. Off camera, I cut it out a square with yellow felt and attached it to the hat. Now moving on to blue, I'm going to get black and draw a circle with spikes underneath to make hair, and also add squiggly lines to make sideburns. And for the placement of the eyes, they're going to both be at the bottom. For red, we're just going to be adding 3 eyes, one at the top and one at the bottom and one in the middle. And the white one is going to be a ghost, so we're only adding 2 eyes. And here we are, our very own Halloween finger puppets. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's DIY Days and tune in for next week. Bye!